Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
The cooling system of the ZMZ 402 engine is quite simple, and therefore easy to maintain. It was installed on the gasoline power unit, which became almost legendary in the Soviet and post-Soviet space. Technical characteristics. Before proceeding directly to the consideration of the characteristics of the cooling system of the ZMZ 402, it is worth considering the main technical characteristics of the power unit. The Volgov motor was considered in the Union as one of the most reliable. Despite the high consumption, the engine 402 was loved by many motorists. So, let's consider the main characteristics of the engine ZMZ 402, as well as the device of operation. Name characteristics manufacturer. ZMZ model ZMZ 24, ZMZ 24D modifications ZMZ 4021, ZMZ 4022, ZMZ 4025, ZMZ 24C engine type gasoline injection type carburetor configuration. 4-cylinder inline longitudinal engine power 95 horsepower. Number of cylinders 4 number of valves 8 piston diameter 92 mm piston stroke 92 mm cooling liquid block and head material aluminum. Resource 300,000 km cylinder order 1-2-4-3 ignition system contact or contactless cooling system description. Cooling system ZMZ 402 includes several elements, namely, thermostat, water pump, radiator, fan, heater elements, water jacket, pipes, and expansion tank on which the plug is located. All this assembly is necessary to ensure cooling of the power unit, and that the temperature does not go beyond the working limits, 87 to 103 degrees Celsius. The nodes of the coolant system. Both the ZMZ 402 internal combustion engine and the cooling system have a fairly simple design, which will allow vehicle owners to easily perform repair and restoration operations with their own hands. Let's consider each element of the cooling unit separately, its characteristics and faults. Thermostat. The thermostat is a detail of the cooling system, which provides circulation of coolant in a small or large circle. When heating the power unit, the part is in a closed state, but when the temperature of the coolant reaches 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, the thermostat opens to a large circle, which goes through the radiator, where cooling occurs. The main malfunction that all motorists encounter is the thermostat jamming closed. This is not bad in the winter period of vehicle operation, but not good when the car power unit begins to overheat. In the event that jamming occurs in the open state, the motor will take quite a long time to warm up. The only way out in this case is to replace the part with a new one. Water pump or pump is a part of the engine, which provides circulation of coolant through the system. Water pump ZMZ 402 has a collapsible basis, and in case of breakage, some parts can be replaced separately. Usually, when carrying out an overhaul of the engine, the water pump is disassembled, and the following parts are changed: shaft width, bearings, impeller, pulley, and oil seal. Radiator and fan. On the Volga and Gazelle, a 3-row radiator of copper manufacture was installed. Its resource is quite large, but since the cars are already 30 years old, the part does not withstand. It is in this element that coolant is cooled. The main malfunction is metal corrosion, which leads to leaks. The fan on the ZMZ 402 is forced, so cooling is constant. The part is attached to the crankshaft pulley. It is not quite convenient, because the engine takes a long time to heat up. Heating elements. The elements of the cabin heater include heater radiator, heater fan, and pipes. With the help of hot coolant that flows through the radiator, the car interior is heated. This system works in winter, but in summertime, the supply of liquid is cut off. tubes and water jacket. The cooling water jacket is located directly in the cylinder block and head. So, the fluid flowing through the motor's water passages absorbs heat and is expelled to be cooled in the radiator. There are two types of failure of this system: clogging of the channels by outside objects and corrosion, when operating on water or low-quality tow soil. The worst thing that can happen in this case is the ingress of coolant into the engine cylinders, which can lead to hydrostroke. Corrosion of the water jacket is detected during overhaul of the power unit. The cooling system of the ZMZ 402 engine is quite simple in design, maintenance, and repair. Thus, most motorists carry out repair and maintenance work on their own. Tuning enthusiasts replace almost all elements of the cooling system with new ones from well-known manufacturers. In conclusion, the cooling system of the ZMZ 402 engine plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal operating temperatures and ensuring the longevity and efficiency of the engine. By understanding its components and functionality, we can appreciate the engineering behind this system and its importance in automotive performance. Regular maintenance and checks are essential to keep the cooling system in top condition, preventing overheating and potential engine damage. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights into the ZMZ 402 cooling system.